Hello, my name is Professor John Bordeaux. Here we have a Flex Mendel 3D printer, and we are going to do print preparation. So first thing we're going to do is I got the 3D printer off, so I'm going to turn it on. And what the very first thing is we're going to do is we're going to want to bring our assembly, extruder assembly to home. So we're going to do what's called auto home. We're going to go to the knob, and I'm going to press down on the knob. I'm going to spin the knob so it goes to prepare. Then I'm going to press down on the knob, and I'm going to roll it down the knob so it goes to auto home. Once it goes to auto home, I'm going to press on the knob. You'll see the extruder is going to go and it's going to go down to 0, 0. Now that it's set up in the right position, we want to preheat the PLA. That's the filament, the polylactic acid filament. So I'm going to go back up and press on the knob again. I'm going to go to prepare. I'm going to press down on the knob. I'm going to roll it down. And I'm going to go to preheat PLA. I'm going to press the knob. Now I want to watch all the statistics and values. I'm going to roll it back up to the top, and I'm going to go to main. And there's a little back home arrow there. I'm going to press that. And then there's another one, and I'm going to press the knob again and go to watch. And now I have my LCD screen. You can see that I have some values here. On the upper left, we have the PLA temperature. It's going to go up to 200. Over here, there's a B. This is the bed temperature. And then it tells us the height of the Z value. And then it tells us the speed. Once we start printing, I can slow or speed up the speed of the 3D print. And this will tell us what our percentage of being done of the file being printed. SD stands for our card or SD card. So we can tell we're half done if it's at 50%. So we're now ready to start our build next.